Good morning. I will begin today by instructing you on our new paperless office program, AppFiles. This application permits you to create a folder for each of your customers' transactions that will hold all the required documents, forms and contracts for any purchase, sale or rental transaction. Contracts can be initialed and signed on a computer, smartphone or tablet. Welcome to 21st century cloud computing. We no longer need to save paper or hard copies. Are there any questions before I begin?
Hello. I've worked as a real estate broker for many years in many different states and just got my first real estate license. Where is this cloud? How do you open this cloud?
Congratulations on making your career a legal endeavor. Cloud computing is like having a computer in a faraway place. Just like your email, if you can access the internet and log into your AppFiles account, you can access all of your transactions from any computer, smartphone or tablet. Documents never need to leave AppFiles.
How will we know what files to put into this app file and where do we get the files?
When you log into your AppFiles account, you will create a separate folder for each transaction. You select the documents from a list. I will show you how if we can get started.
Are all these forms really necessary? How do buyers, sellers, landlords or tenants get to this cloud to sign these forms? Is AppFiles like an ATM? The ATM at my bank now counts dollar bills for me.
If we ever get started, I will show you how to log in, start a file, add the necessary documents, complete a contract and have the interested parties initial and sign all the required places. I will then explain how we handle funds. If we can get started. Yes. Agent?
When it rains, do all the papers get wet or do they just fall out of the cloud?
The word email is an abbreviation for electronic mail. Just like emails, there is no paper unless you print it from the computer you are working from. All the documents are on a menu and you will select the ones you need for the transaction. You will never need to print documents as the AppFiles server is very secure.
Can we cater parties from this menu? Do we have to tip the server?
No, the menu I talked about is a computer term. It gives the user a list of documents to choose from and copy into a folder. Perhaps AppFiles can add a happy hour to this menu just for you.
This sounds like a lot of work to work in real estate here in Florida. I didn't do this much work before. We just shook hands and the customers gave me an envelope of money.
It doesn't sound like you were compliant with the laws affecting real estate transactions before. You must comply now that you have your license. Our compliance office will be checking your AppFiles folder for each transaction and must approve the file before you are paid.
So, how does the buyer put the envelope of money to this cloud? Will the compliance officer take any of this money?
It sounds like you didn't remember everything you learned about real estate transactions in the class. Where did you say you went to school?
Oh, I didn't go to school. I printed my license myself.
I think they need to add that happy hour to AppFiles menu. This is going to be a long session and I need a drink now. As it is virtual application, it must be 5 p.m. somewhere.
Great. Wanna join me for a drink?